Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use Ubuntu part 1. So, I just customized my dock a little bit. For you it would take up the entire screen. For me it just looks more like a Mac dock, just that it's on the right side. But this is known as the Ubuntu dock. Here we have all of your favorite applications that you can add. And this is your applications menu. Here at the bottom, where you have all of your apps. And if you want to search for one, you can just search, like let's say I need to open up VMware. VMware. There it is. I just search a little bit and it pops up. Okay. Now let's take a look at the settings application. By opening the application menu I just showed, type in settings into it, open it up. Now let's say appearance, we want the light theme. Bam, we have it. Let's say, now I already have a dedicated short on how to change the background, but I'm just going to show it here in more detail. So you can change the background to whatever you want from the background tab in the settings application. I'm just going to leave it at this because this is my favorite background. Now under Bluetooth, it's going to show all of the Bluetooth devices you have that are not set up or disconnected. Like my external speaker, it's disconnected and I don't know what is this, it's just not set up. I really don't know what that's. Network, Wi-Fi. Simple as this, you can connect to Wi-Fi from here. Notifications, you can turn on or off which apps want you to show notifications. Like I don't want Oracle VM VirtualBox to send me notifications. Just turn notifications off and there we go. Next is the search tab, which you can search in files, calculator, calendar, characters, note. You can just turn off where you can search and where not. I'll just leave all of these on. But we didn't take a look at the appearance tab. So, position of new icons, bottom right. I'm just going to say top left. Bam! Now, when I pin anything, it's going to pin to the top left. But I'm just going to change it back to bottom right. Under icon size, you can increase it to be huge or to be tiny, but I just always set it to 44. Since 44, I think, is the optimal height for me. You can change the color. I have the blue, size, the desktop icons, the position on screen. It can be left, bottom, right. Next of all is multitasking. You can enable it active screen edges or hot corner. Next of all is applications, where it shows all of our applications that you can disable which one shows notifications, which one, and you can even open it in Software Center. Next of all, we have privacy, where we can change settings about our privacy, like you can turn on location services, among other stuff. Online accounts, I have it signed into my Google account. I don't have it to anything else. But you can sign in if you want to create a GNOME account, or an Ubuntu account, you can do that. Sharing, now you can enable remote desktop. I'll just do that. Now I have remote desktop enabled, and now we can change. I want to change my computer name to Vigo. Add Vigo hashtag PC. Oops, it should be all small letters. There we go. Remote desktop is on. This is basically sharing sound. Like it says, this is my input device, microphone, output, and sound. This is my output device, the computer speaker. Power, tells you information about your battery. Can turn on. For me, it's at performance. You can turn on to power saver, balance, or performance. I always have it at high performance. Displays. You can mirror them. You can change your resolution. You can change your refresh rate. You can change your rotation. You can change the scale. Mouse and touchpad. Primary button, for me it's left, but you can change it to right. Keyboard shows the layout. You can get more printers. I don't have any printers. Remove media. I just CD audio. What happens when you plug in a CD audio or DVD video, music player, photos. Color. Unable to detect any devices that can be color managed because I don't have any devices that can be color managed. Region and language, change your language and region. Accessibility, you can change accessibility settings. Users, you can customize your user. You can create a new account, among other stuff. Default applications for the web. Firefox. I just set it to Firefox web browser. For music, videos. For videos. And for photos, image viewer. Date and time, as it says, can change the date and time. I just have it set currently, but you can change it. And about should just tell you information about your PC. That's all for the settings application. Now, let's check out the file browser. It's extremely similar to Windows. File browser is a typical file browser. As you can see, I have hidden files enabled, among other stuff, videos, pictures, pretty much the same, but I don't see anything that's different from from File Explorer to this. I really don't see the difference. It shows your Google Drive. For me, in this case, it's my Gmail account. Videos, trash, music, documents, desktop, home, standard, recent, all of it. Now I'm going to show you some basic terminal commands. So either open the terminal by typing in Control-T on your keyboard, or just search for terminal inside the search. Let's learn first ls. This lists all of your directories. Next, you can do dir, which is basically the same as ls. Now you can do a cd to, let's say, go into my Python projects folder. Projects. I just have to find how I named it. I forgot, kind of. Projects. I really forgot the name, but I'm just, for example, gonna create a new folder and call it test. And now we're gonna go into cd test. Oh, we have to first. Let's go into our desktop directory first. So cd desktop. Now we're on desktop. Now we're gonna open up cd test. Now we're in our test directory. And I'm gonna also show you how to create a new folder by typing in mkdir inside that folder and then the name. Now, if you open up tab, now we can type in dir. We have another folder called Vigo. That's basically part 1 on how to use Ubuntu. Make sure you look forward to part 2, but until then, bye!